Hey guys, today I'm back with another video, and this video is definitely going to be interesting because in this video we are going to talk about Fayoko and our fandom as well. First of all, I have actually made a bunch of videos about this kind of stuff. What I'm talking about, I know I'm talking in riddle right now, but let me explain it for you. There are loads of renowned account on the Twitter, on the Insta that always counts the monthly engagement of BL couple as well and GL couple as well. You guys know it, right? Because we have talked about it before the previous month as well. So, as I was saying, just few hours ago, we got GL update of monthly engagement and everything, right? And guess what? Let me show you guys the list, then we are going to talk about it briefly. Don't go anywhere, all right? Here you go. Yes, right. See, now the thing is, the ranking of Fayoko actually dropped. Yes, let me show you guys. Here it is. See, yeah, see, okay, yes, there you go. Our whole fandom is talking about it. Actually, that's somehow true because last month, yeah, previous month, we haven't used the hashtag Fayoko that much. Yeah, that's why someone said, if you are going to eat, use Fayoko hashtag. If you want to go somewhere, use Fayoko hashtag. If you wanna do running, you know, do Fayoko hashtag. Use Fayoko hashtag. That's it. Our whole fandom is lacking behind, guys. Our whole fandom is lacking behind. I don't want to see Fayoko out of the 10th rank. I'm sorry. I know I'm kind of that kind of fan, but yeah. Somehow, I guess we want to hold on to Fayoko because we haven't lost our hope. We are still hoping that we are gonna get Fayoko back on the screen. No matter, at least right now, Fayoko is separated as a couple by their own agency, whatever. We have talked about it millions times, but somehow the fans, we don't want to let go Fayoko because we know we have that hope, strong determination that yes, we are gonna get Fayoko both in the upcoming future. you know that's why we are keep it going. That's it. So I would request you guys as well, come join at the Twitter and please increase the engagement of Fayuko. you know it saddens me to see their ranking drop actually. Yeah, but it happens because they are not on an ongoing couple as for now. But still we have to keep it going, right? I mean, see, I know nowadays we don't have that much Fayoko new content, and in the upcoming months we may not get any content from Fayoko. You guys know what's going right now, but still, our fandom decided to keep the hashtag going. That's it. I mean, if you want to talk about Fayoko, use hashtag of Fayoko. If you wanna post any video of Fayoko, use the hashtag as well. Yeah, this is how the engagement actually counts. That's it. And as I said, big brands are watching. Big brands are noticing the engagement rate. So yeah, you guys know what I'm trying to imply here, right? Yes. So we should get back to work, guys. Wait, I have something else to talk about. Lots of people on the online, I have been seeing that lots of people are saying Fayoko is not an ongoing couple. That's why their engagement is dropping, somehow. And actually, I kind of disagree with this statement. Why? Let me explain. First of all, think about it, guys. The previous month and the previous month of the last month as well, we were managing to be at the top 5. Yes, we were managing it. And of course, it's without Fayoko. You know, of course, we are not gonna get any content from Fayoko in the upcoming months as well. But in the near future, of course, we are not losing our hope. But think about it deeply, guys. For the past couple of months, it's been almost 4 months, yes, and we haven't gotten any content from Fayoko. But guess what? It didn't stop us to, rank Fayoko at the top 5. So why it would, stop us now? I mean, I don't seem to find any logic here, right? It has nothing to do with Fayoko content. Just if you are missing Fayoko, go on the Twitter and drop Fayoko's pictures, and with the use Fayoko's hashtag, with the hashtag drop it, drop Fayoko's video, Fayoko's moments. That's it. If you are talking about something, just use Fayoko hashtag. Then we are gonna, maintain the top 5 couple engagement. That's it. Guys, this is really important so that Fayoko wouldn't vanish from GL couple. Still, loads of different awards and voting still includes Fayoko. Why? Because they know Fayoko has this huge fan base. We are still hoping for Fayoko. You guys know it. So yeah, if you don't want to see Fayoko vanish somehow from the social media, from every social platform, please, keep on shouting Fayoko's name. Keep on taking their name and keep on reminding people. That's it. That Fayoko still exists, and as a whole fandom, we are not losing our hope over it. We are still hoping for the best. We are still hoping to see Fayoko in the near future. So that's why we have to keep the engagement going. You guys know there is huge possibility for Fayoko in the near future. Maybe after a few more months. Yes. So we have to keep the engagement rate going. It's just a simple thing. See, we just have to do one thing. Just use the hashtag Fayoko. That's it. This is not a rocket science, guys. It's just simple as that. This is it. And lots of people were saying that we are not getting loads of Fayoko content, that's why their engagement is dropping. No, as I said, I totally disagree with this. It has nothing to do with Fayoko content. Maybe if we would have gotten Fayoko content more, then it would be much easier, you know. But somehow, yes. But let's see. Let's hope for the best and keep the trend going. Keep the hashtag Fayoko going. That's it. This is my only request to you guys. Yeah, yeah, that's for sure. That's for sure. So, what's your thoughts about it? I just, came here to give you guys this kind of update because a lot of people you maybe don't know about this kind of stuff. So, yeah, you guys know me. I like to keep you guys updated. So, yeah, this was it. This was all it for today's video. Hopefully you guys find the video helpful. Hope you guys find the video informative. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to like, comment, share, and to subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon, very soon, with new video, with new update. Till then, take care and keep smiling. I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.